Alright, today we're going to learn how to write an equation of a line in point-slope form. And we're going to do that by looking at the graph. Step 1 is determine the slope of the line. Step 2 is find a point on the line. And in the point-slope formula, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. We'll plug in values for x1, y1, and m. So we have 3 examples here for you. First example, what is the equation of this line in point-slope form? So first thing we're going to do is determine the slope of the line, and we can find that by picking one point, counting up, and it looks like we would go up 1, 2, and then to the right 1, 2, 3, 4. So the slope seems to be up 2 and right 4. That reduces to 1/2. So we have our slope, up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2. We have 2 choices. We can choose either the 8, 2, or we can choose the 2, -1. We're going to choose the 8, 2. That's going to be our x1 and y1. Eight, 2. And then we will simply plug them into the right parts of point-slope form of an equation. Y minus 2 equals 1/2 x minus 8. And that is the equation of this graph in point-slope form. Let's try it again. So it looks like we have a line passing through -2, 4, and 3, -1. First thing we need to do is determine the slope of the line. Well, if I choose any 2 points, notice these points that I pointed out here are sort of in the crosshairs. We can tell exactly which integers, which numbers are the coordinates. It looks like we're going down 1 and right 1. Each time, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. That would be written as a fraction -1/1. I can simplify that to -1. Our slope then is -1. Let's use -2, 4 as our point. Remember, you can think of that as the x1, y1. Putting it into point-slope form, y minus 4 equals -1 x plus 2. And remember, when converting these from the point to the equation, notice the signs are the opposite within the equation. The y1 is a +4, but in the formula it's -4. The x1 is a -2, in the formula it's a +2. Let's see what happens if we chose the other point. It will be a different equation, but in effect it is the same line. This time it would be y plus 1 equals -1 parentheses x minus 3. Either one of these works as an answer. Alright, one last one. Looks like we are passing through, let's find a good point here. Right here, we're right here at 2, and it looks like they go up 3 and to the right 1. Up 3, right 1. That tells us the slope is 3/1, which can be written just as 3. Now we need a coordinate point. Looks like this point down here, this is on the line. This works. That has a coordinate of, looks like -2, -3. And so our equation would be y plus 3 equals 3 parentheses x plus 2. And there we are.